Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a temperature gauge using the Pi Pico and a servo motor. This project helps us measure and display the temperature of our surroundings in a fun and creative way. Let's get started. For this project I'm using Robo Pico with Pi Pico and a servo motor connected to port GP12. In this tutorial we will use Thony editor and CircuitPython to build the code for this project. If you are not familiar with Thony, check out the video in the description to learn how to get started with it. Visit the CircuitPython website and download the latest library bundle. Unzip the file and locate this library. Copy and paste it into lib folder on your CircuitPy drive. Now open the code.py file and write this code into it. This code continuously reads the internal temperature of the Raspberry Pi Pico, maps it to a servo angle, and adjusts the position of the servo motor accordingly. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you next time.